Check po tayo ngayon for Dock Audio. Ito po yung Q100. Tingnan po natin po sinasaksak yung power supply niya. Dumidiklap po siya. Siya po ay 24 to 32 volts. Power po natin. Yan. Sport pa tayo. Then, hanap po tayo na medyo maganda yung mga wave po natin remix. Napakaganda po yun. Mahilig po maglagay ng music sa tricycle. Filipino. Po ang aking mga collections. Mini amp, may mini amp collections, almost all 12 to 32 volts. Po yung BHM 339 and Knob Sound by DSP. This is my Ellie Giant. This is my Dock Audio. This is Power Base mini amp. This is in KR mixer, two-way, and my B8. Audio card and my Kenter also 12 volts power amp. And this is the bass speaker. And Onkyo speaker with bass. And next po yung ating audio check po tayo.